Hi guys, good afternoon everyone. Welcome back to my channel. This is Trading Twilight and I am Ankita Agnihotri. And today we have Tuesday. So market is like having a holiday on Monday. So it is having a holiday. So due to this holiday, we are having a huge volatility and it has opened as a gap up and it's sustaining, which is very important on supports. And when like any indices is going to be support not resisted and taking a support on particular resistance, so maybe there is a buy on dip which is activated since morning. So I was active at this dip once it's giving me a dip any sort of at 11 somewhere 11:15. So I'm still in buying for the target of 23 500, I guess 550. So you can take this target and this dip is buyable and we are still in a position where we gonna hold this position for a certain target which I have already suggested to you in Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty also making a price action where it's sustaining on the resistance, so it can also drift to 53,000 somewhere, which is a psychological number, so you can book before that. So 52,960 somewhere, maybe by tomorrow itself it can achieve this target. So don't be in a sailing or something. Maybe buy on dip is activated or positionally maybe people are overnight taking it as a buy on dip only. So until it's not going to breach 52,000, I was in buying only. So I am still in buying. I will not be looking for a bearishness. Maybe some move is still pending, so maybe it will be going to activate after 2 p.m. or something, because we can see one more down move or kind of premium adjustment due to Sensex expiry. So we have the expiry in Sensex, so maybe this would be possible. Firstly, it will gonna reach this 77,424 or like this target, and then we can see a down move. So here I am suggesting to you, don't go for a sailing freshly until it's not going to reach the strongest resistance is 77 400 or 450 area. So where we will gonna try for a once for a sailing, if it any candle is going to be sustained on 15 minutes for a rejection, then only. Otherwise we will gonna take it as a buy on dip. Maybe after 2 p.m. 2:30 we will take it as a sale on rise for a scalping, because against the trend we used to do scalping only. So in this way we can make profit. And still I'm holding this Nifty because Nifty looking bullishness. Maybe 450 you can book your first target, and then 500 you can take your second, and third one is 23 550. This would be my last target. And Bank Nifty as well, which where future is sustaining in this candle's high. Since I am in a bullish territory, so I have done a buy scalp in the morning only, but in this dip also I have taken a call, so which is still trailing. So because positionally I am looking for bullishness in Bank Nifty, so maybe Bank Nifty futures I'm talking about, which will be gonna positionally you can take target 52 960 or 980 area. Positionally by tomorrow itself I will be gonna book, and according to the futures. And why I'm saying so, if you go with the like sailing, maybe going to profit booking will be going to take place, not sailing, due to this India VIX is already given a down move and not sustaining on 21 or somewhere where we will be gonna plan for a sailing. So you have to keep an eye on this India VIX. Once it's gave a close above this area, which is 21 57, you can take 58. So we will be gonna see some profit booking going to be changed and take into picture in a like sailing kind of. But here I cannot freshly go for a blindly due to it's opened as a gap up, so maybe gap filling will be going to do like happen. But this time you need to think twice for a sailing, because profit booking may be gonna take place in few hours, maybe this would be possible. So you can take small scalping targets in the selling side, but buy side is still activated. So one two targets is still pending in Nifty and Bank Nifty. And Sensex, you just keep on eye, maybe short covering will be going to triggered. So like 500 600 point is will be going to achieve, which is 77 for 500 level. You just keep on eye and book your target, like timely profit booking will be going to happen, so you will be not able to like book your profit, so which is very important. And Bitcoin is also bullish, maybe it will be gonna reach 286, this 600 area, so you can take this target from this particular uh, resistance. It is like having a support, and it has took a support from here, and now it's sustaining, so maybe one uh, short covering is will be going to triggered in Bitcoin as well. And if we go with the dollar index, so dollar index is going to down, which is good for our market, like it is sustaining below 20 moving average 99.5.49, which is good for our market. So this is the reason, like maybe Thursday we will see some kind of sailing or sort of, or maybe tomorrow in the second half, but today I cannot justify a sailing. A profit booking will be happen, so we will be going to capture accordingly, but be buy on dip, be with the trend, so you will be going to definitely make profit. This is my personal analysis, and this is a disclaimer, all contents are for education purpose. So if you are making any buy and sell, so consult to your financial advisor. And SDFC is looking bullish at these particular resistance, same price action like Bank Nifty. Kotak Bank is also bullish, okay, it is taking support at 20 moving average. This is a sort of dip which is buyable in Kotak Bank as well. And ICICI is also sustaining, okay, bullish move is pending. Axis Bank is also bullish, okay, Federal Bank is bullish. Infi IT sector is bullish today, so good to go for 23,500, maybe we will achieve by tomorrow, this would be possible. So here you can any sort of dip towards like your supports, so you need to take it as a buy on dip, so you will be going to make a profit definitely. And Dow Jones, if we go with the Dow Jones, so it is also positive by 312 points. And mid cap select is also positive, guys. So this is the reason I am looking for bullishness in our indices as well, as I have already told you. And so you can make simply buy on dip till it's going to reach the support. And one profit booking is pending, so maybe it will gonna happen due to the premium adjustment, like we have expiry in the Sensex, so maybe possible in the second half. So be cautious at this particular resistance, which is 77,500 450 area, and book your profit timely. And have a lovely day ahead. This is Ankita Agnitri signing off, guys. And if you're watching my streaming till here, so you're very special for me, so don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and more share with the people who are like very much interested in this particular trading profession, and who are really wanna go do something big in their lives in investing and trading. So keep investing, keep trading, and have a lovely day ahead. This is Ankita Agnitri signing off. Bye bye.